was gonna be working on choppers, but we got a mobile job today, so one more of these guys. Just the frame. Whatever I can get to here. This will be fun. It's cold today. Oh well, time to get to work. Made it back to the barn, got everything unloaded. Compressors put back and filled up with fresh diesel. Took about 4.5 hours to get through all that semi-frame and all the bits. It started snowing on me, which really sucks. Oh man, I am cold, I am tired, I am starving, and still have a million things to do, but I don't know if I'm gonna do them today. I feel like one good job like that should be all right. So on this thing, this is where we left off yesterday or the other day. We do have working brakes again, and then this is the motor mount plate that I was waiting on. Nice little piece. Got to figure out how I'm going to make it work on here, but unfortunately that involves yanking that whole motor out, which again, kind of sucks, but not that big of a deal. Split the exhaust up there, and then it's just the 4 bolts really, before we get anything else hooked up to it. Like, we didn't do any of the wiring or the kill switch stuff. This is for like external batteries. There's usually a battery that we have in here for these stupid bright lights, but that'll be the plan. Hopefully I can get back up here tomorrow if I'm feeling a little motivated and get some more stuff done on that. Other than that, waiting on some bits for this. We got to figure out what we're doing tank wise, fender wise. I still need to drop the front end of this, but I kind of think I might just wait till I get a buddy up here to give me a hand flip-flopping and swapping over front ends, because it'll be much faster. Really, I just need to get the front end off, but now that it's up in the air, I want to get this lowered down. I've done it solo. If you go back on the other ones, it's doable, but might as well drink some sodas and hang out with a buddy and get this thing apart. So that's the tentative plan. I don't know when I'll be jamming on that, but man, was it cold. It was 32 degrees, and then it just started snowing like crazy. Whew, trying to get some warmth back in these bones. Anyways, that's kind of it. I still got more parts I've been bringing over here from the house that I got to start going through, finding a place for. I think most of this stuff is all the parts for the chopper frame I've been hoarding up there. Just wanted to give you guys a quick little update. I don't really know. I haven't done anything, haven't worked on anything up here. Nothing fun and exciting anyways. But main goal is to get this mini bike motor plate in, hopefully tomorrow. And then after that, I mean, just some plumbing and fluids, and that should be done. Maybe a kickstand and maybe the foot pegs, I don't know. But this is what I need to clear that off for, not the frame here. This is a blasting coat job I gotta get done this week, but this thing, what is this, 89, 90, something Honda Gold? I don't know. I don't really know at all. It's really just going to be kind of a fluid change, new tires, get it roadworthy again for a customer slash buddy of mine. It's one of his favorite bikes. He's got a bunch of other bikes, but he likes this one. So this is what he wants to get back on the road again, and I get to piece all that together. So he actually did come by and drop off all the fluids and all the bits, but I don't want to work on that on the ground. So mini bike first, get that off. Then we can start chipping away at mechanical once-overs from 10 years of sitting while we're kind of waiting and picking and choosing parts and figuring out what the next few steps are on this. Really, I need to figure out a fender situation. So come up with some options here. He sent me over a picture of a bike. It was just a flat fender, wider than this, but kind of like we did on that Army Green Ironhead. That'd be quick and easy and simple, but I kind of want to get some parts going. Front end should end up being about the same. So that's it, you know, kind of a quick little update. Hopefully I can update you guys a little bit further as we progress. We still got to put these motor mounts in and get that locked on, but that's kind of where we're at. So maybe we'll be back tomorrow, and if I do come back up here and jam on something, we'll wrap this video up with those bits. We'll see. See how I'm feeling tomorrow. Hopefully I don't get sick from being out there today. So I don't know where we left off from the other day. I did not get the motor out of this because I was working on a little dirt bike. I wasn't filming anything. Little, I don't know, ATC 50 type, the Honda knockoff motor. One of those little Chinese import ones, but doing a carb clean on that, I slipped with the screwdriver, drove that right through my hand, and I can't grab anything, which really sucks. One of those things, I knew better. I looked at it, didn't grab the right tool. Like I usually use a spring punch for those little float pins. Went for it on the bike, not even on a bench. Slipped, stabbed myself real good, and now my hand's all bruised and jacked up. So been laying a little bit lower than I would like to, but we will be back on these things soon. I don't think I had a finished part of that video, so I figured this will be a good stopping point. Don't be an idiot, grab the right tools, and don't hurt yourself. I can spend all week drilling through that control lever on this, or all a day doing that sketchy, weird stuff, and then you go to do what should have been a quick 10-minute job. Bike ran and everything fine, and float was sticking, it was just pouring gas. Not paying attention for 10 minutes. Now I'm out for a couple days. So unfortunately, as soon as this heals, I'm backlogged on blasting and coating. Everybody got the spring fever from the warm weather last time, so we are buried with powder work and blasting work, plus the mobile stuff on the weekend. So I apologize. It's gonna go a little bit slower, but I'm also trying to figure out what we're doing for fender stuff here. I got this one on here for mock-up only. I got a couple other fenders in the garage. I just need to figure out what he wants to do, because we are, in my opinion, I would rather start working on the rear fender stuff of this, because that takes much longer than swapping out the front end components. That's kind of where we're at right now. Unfortunately, I got a ton of gym equipment over here. I have the other half of that chopper frame I still need to finish. And if I brought you to the powder shop, it'd be more overwhelming, so I'm not gonna do that. But this is where we are at. It's the mix and match of, this is why I don't take in every customer in the world's bike for spill and fills and things like that, but there might be some tweaks and alterations coming to that too. So stay tuned. If you've been around a long time on the channel, thank you. If you're new to the channel, we like doing choppers. We're also doing a bunch of other stupid stuff on a regular basis. So always working, always hustling. Got to keep busy. Stay busy keeps the mind fresh, right? You're just always tired. That's how that goes. But that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. All those fun things if you are so inclined. If not, that's cool too. Enjoy the free video. We'll catch you on the next one.